Alright, so here's these two units off right here. The 1997 Root and the Bryant. First I'm gonna start on the Bryant because that's really quiet and the Root is loud. I'm gonna start that one up too. So yeah, I just don't know where to set the camera so I can set it to the fan grill, but I'll set it right here anyways. Alright, I'll be right back. I heard a startup from right there. The air handler is like literally right there. Dime. La luz. Déjame ver si. A ver si. Here's this air handler for Bryant's. It's also Janitral. I'm gonna go start up the 1997 Root. This thing's super quiet, dude. Alright, I'm gonna set the camera by the compressor right here, so. Probably gonna wait a while for this one to turn on. Well, I already catch the startup once. But here's a bit off right now. Actually, there's the Copeland scroll right there. And the Bryant also has a scroll compressor, which is this one's really quiet though. Really big. So all I just want to film is the Bryant starting up, but anyways, I guess over now.